Step 1. Add text in CapCut. First of all, open CapCut, choose the text tool, and type whatever you want. For me, I'm typing my channel name, ShutterDot. Now resize the text, change the font to anything you like, and pick a color. I went with blue for this one. Step 2. Split and mask the text. Expand the text layer in the timeline, then move your cursor to the 4-second mark and make a cut. Now right-click on the first part of the text layer and convert it into a compound clip. Click on this new compound clip, go to the Mask tool and choose Circle Mask. Adjust the size of the mask, not too big, not too small, just enough to cover one part of the text. Then set the feather to around 15 or 17, depending on your taste. Step 3. Bring your cursor to the beginning of the timeline and position the mask so that only the first letter, like S in ShutterDot, is visible. Now add a keyframe. Move your cursor step by step and keep adding keyframes while adjusting the mask position. But don't keep it in a straight horizontal or vertical path. Make it look a bit messy or zigzag. It adds a creative, natural feel. When you reach the final keyframe position, press B on your keyboard to make a cut. Now click on the small remaining part of the compound clip, move the mask to the center of the logo, and expand it fully so that the entire text becomes visible. Now it's already looking super cool, but we're not done yet. Step 4. Add animation and glitch effects. Click on the second part of the compound clip and go to the Animation tab. Choose Zoom to and adjust the duration to your liking. Now select the non-compound clip, the second part of the original text layer, and apply 2 glitch style effects. Pick any ones you like based on your preference. I experimented with a few until I found something that worked. Step 5. Add music and sound effects. Now, I visited pixabay.com, typed in Thriller Intro, and downloaded a track called Dark Mystery Intro. I also grabbed some extra sound effects from the YouTube audio library and imported everything into CapCut. Here's how I used them. I applied the glitch sound to the second part of the text layer. The Dark Mystery track is used as the main background music for the entire logo animation. And for an extra cinematic punch, I added a swoosh sound from CapCut's own audio section. Great for when the logo appears. Step 6. Extend the animation. I felt the animation could use a little more time, so I made a copy of the text layer, pasted it right after, and converted it into a compound clip. Then I added an out animation. I chose fade out and adjusted the duration to make it smooth. Lastly, I trimmed the extra audio and lined everything up perfectly. Final result, and boom, your logo animation is ready. Try it yourself, and don't be afraid to tweak things your own way. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and support the channel. Thanks for watching. This is ShutterDot, your creativity hub. Catch you in the next one.